You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -5/2. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x plus 7. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 20/3 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the 0 numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/8. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -5/2.